What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best printer for screen printing transparencies. A high-quality printer is all you need to kickstart your very own art business. From nailing creative school projects to supplying designer media for marketing campaigns. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 printer for screen printing transparencies. Number 1. Canon Pixma 96820 printer for screen printing transparencies. Pixma 96820 provides an incredible 9600 x 2400 color DPI, which is just perfect for a colorful. You can print high-quality borderless photos in only 36 seconds. Supports Google Cloud Print for wireless printing. Canon Pixma 96820 prints 14.5 images per minute, IPM, in black and 10.4 images per minute in color. The printed materials are exceptionally sharp and detailed. High-speed USB and Ethernet for printing through a wired office network. Number 2. Epson Expression printer for screen printing transparencies. Epson manufactures the best printers for screen printing. The XP 15000 is one of their best-selling masterpieces. You'll be getting rich vibrancy, brilliant borderless photos. Only compatible with Claria Photo HD 312 ink cartridges. That said, this workhorse of a printer sure can give your new business a boost in terms of quality and promptness. Its 200-sheet front tray covers the needs of the busiest office. Prints 4x6 borderless color photo in 27 seconds. Number 3. HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 printer for screen printing transparencies. Boosting productivity at the office and getting things done faster is now made possible with the HP OfficeJet Pro. Syncs to QuickBooks for saving time on repetitive tasks. Wireless printing with HP Smart App. These options help you to organize business documents, digitize receipts on your computer and mobile phone. Provides basic encryption and security to your documents. Prints 20 black and white documents a minute. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET2750 printer for screen printing transparencies. We are here with EcoTank ET2750, another impressive yet affordable Epson screen printer for your daily home office and business necessities. What's different with the ET2750 is its cartridge-free printing. Includes up to 2 years of ink. Automatic two-sided printing is also supported, and you can cut down paper costs in the same way. The printer easily prints from iOS devices, Android smartphones. Best-selling SuperTank printer by Epson. Number 5. Canon Pixma TS9520 printer for screen printing transparencies. When it's made by no other than Canon, you know you'll be getting your money's worth and reach a stonking level of productivity. Supports glossy, semi-glossy, matte, and photo paper luster. Excellent ISO print speed of 15 BNW IPM and 10 color IPM. We loved how responsive the printer is to these remote controls and how rapidly it prints multiple color pages a minute. Syncs with Canon Print app, EPP Editor, AirPrint, Mapria Print. Compatible with Amazon Alexa.